video, we are going to be learning about subtraction strategies that we've been using in the classroom. Today, we started with a 2-digit number and we subtracted a 1-digit number. In the past, I know when I've been taught subtraction, again, we would line up the 10s and the 1s, and then we would start in our 1s place, 6 minus 7. We can't do that, so then we'd have to go over to the 10s place, take that 10 away, and turn that 6 to that 16. We're still having 16 minus 7. We are not using that strategy just yet. We will throughout the year, but not yet. So to solve 16 minus 7, one of the strategies we have been using is counting back. So in subtraction, the first number is where we're going to start, and we are going to take 7 away. We're going to count backwards 7 times. So again, to show our work, we could use a number line. This time on a number line, our larger number has to come on this side because 16 is our larger number. I'm going to count backwards 7. So I'm going to take 7 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once I've done that, my answer is going to be in this box on my number line. I need to figure out what number goes there. So I'm just counting backward. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So 16 minus 7 equals 9. On a number line, you could also show your work by, again, starting at 16, again, starting on that right-hand side, because 16 is our larger number, and we're counting back, so our answer is going to be smaller. If I can also break up that 7 in different ways, so I could use the number line in a different way. So starting at 16, I know if I take 6 away, that's an easy one for me to know that that goes to 10 on a number line. I need to take 7 away. I've only taken 6 away, so I need to take 1 more away, and then I would land on 9. One of the other strategies we've been working on besides counting back is thinking about subtraction as a total, a part, and a part. So in subtraction, our larger number is going to be our total, and the other parts of our number sentence are going to be the parts. If I think of it that way, then I could draw a total of 16 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's my total. Now, one of my parts is going to be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In order to figure out what my other part's going to be, I'm going to count the parts that I did not cross off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So again, 16 minus 7 equals 9. If we can think of subtraction as total part, we can use addition to also help us figure this answer out. In addition, we would have our total go last in addition, and the add-ins would be our different parts. Then, if we know 16 is our total, we could put 16 in our addition number sentence at the end. One of our parts is 7. We would just need to figure out what the other part is. So I, again, would start at 7. I could count on to see how many more I would need to have 16 altogether. If I'm starting at 7 on my number line, I need to count on until I get to 16. I'm at 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So again, I need to figure out what number is going to go there on my number line, so I would just fill it in. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many jumps did I take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So again, 16 minus 7 equals 9, or I could think of it as 7 plus how many more equals